AMC stock analysis and AMC stock predictions for the next week and onward. What I'm going to be doing here is just breaking down my exact play and everything with AMC Entertainment Holding, especially now, you know, because we have a whole new week coming. I'm waiting for a confirmation. That being said, having done well over 42,000 videos myself, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And I'm here to kind of just share the experiences over 5 years that I've learned. And this is my subjective opinion. Yes, it's in a beautiful demand zone, but the same way GM meets in this big correction phase, the only thing that I'll care about is if there is a confirmation, right? If there is a double break, and if that doesn't quite happen, then I guess I'm not going to be the guy buying here. That's it. Well, I do have a lot of previous receipts here. There's 40 results pop up in the analysis trade alert section and in the Discord. And if there is no sort of shift here, a double break, bro, I'm not looking to buy whatsoever. So I'll keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned with AMC and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, sure, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.